Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Easy. In this video, we will talk about a major update in Odoo 19, which is stock availability during creating a quotations. And let's jump to Odoo database and see how it will work. Go to sales module, and here we will create a new quotation. Click on new and select a customer. I am selecting Openwood. And here is another change which is showing its month name with its date. Previously it was just showing a month date and month and year. Now it is showing month name and with its date. And after this we will go to add product section, and I will add a product. Let's add acoustic block screen, and it's black variant. Let's confirm it. After confirming it, you can see it is also showing its description with it, and it is customization custom noise reducing panels for open space. So here is the quantity. If I click on this graph icon, and it will show me availability of this. Here you can see forecasted stock is 69 and available is 0. So in this way it is the major update in Odoo 19. And other one is cost. It is also showing here cost. Previously in other versions it was just showing unit price while creating quotations. So in this Odoo 19 it is also showing its cost. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. We'll see you later. Thank you so much.